Hello, in this video I'm going to show you 4 apps you should get on your Samsung Galaxy F23 along with the Samsung Galaxy M23. So let me show you all the apps. The first one would be the NotifyBuddy, and what it does basically is you can set up the custom LED notifications for your phone, and most of the phones now don't get that option, and you can do it with app. You probably remember this LED lamps in notifications that you had in some corners of your phone, and it would notify you when your phone was locked and you got, for example, WhatsApp message. So let me show you how it looks. Basically, it's something like that. You get this LED right here when your phone is locked, and you can get it from multiple apps which you can choose to get this notification from. And it can also be the system apps. Here you can see the active, and you can customize it a lot by changing its shape, size, and its position on the screen. So the next app would be battery sound notification, and what it does basically is you can set up the alarms for your battery and notifications, of course. With this plus button right here, you can, for example, do the full battery notification, and when your battery will be fully loaded, charged, then you will get the sound which you can also choose right here, like this. So that's pretty cool when you don't want your phone to be connected to the charger all the time and you just forget sometimes about it. The next app would be Caffeine, and what it allows your phone is infinite timeout, or few more options than default for the timeout of your display. So if you press on infinite, it will never lock your phone when it's not pressed right here to be locked. Because if we go to the settings and find display and screen timeout, you can maximum time for the timeout is 30 minutes in default phone. So yeah, I recommend using that if you want more options. Next and the last app would be the Ampere, and what it does is another like the battery app, and it actually shows you more information about your battery state, and it's very useful too if you want to care more about your battery. So you can see the level of percentage of how much it's charged, its technology, its temperature, which is one of the most important things, its manufacturer, and etc. Everything here. You can see its health, and you can change from multiple statistics like this by dragging your finger on the screen. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.